A for loop in Python is used to repeat a block of code a certain number of times by iterating over a sequence, like a list, tuple, string, dictionary, or even a range of numbers. Variable takes each value from the sequence one by one. Sequence can be a list, string, tuple, range, etc. The code block inside runs for each value. We mostly use it with the range function. Let's see some examples. For I in range 5, print I. This prints numbers from 0 to 4. By default, it starts at 0. Other example, for I in range of 1, 6, print I. This prints numbers from 1 to 5. It starts at the first number and stops just before the last number. Other example, for I in range of 1, 8, 2, print of I. Here, the third value is the step. So it prints 1, 3, 5, 7. Other example, for I in range of 10, 1, -2, print of I. Here, the loop counts backwards from 10 down to 2, stepping by -2. So it prints 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. That's how a for loop with range works in Python. Subscribe to stay updated with all the new content.